Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram post. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then when you're on your profile, you're going to head towards the plus sign. You want to click on the plus sign and then you want to create a new post. After you select which type of picture or video you want to publish, you want to make sure that you're moving forward after you edit the songs over here. Then you want to click next, and this is where you can actually tag people. You click on tag people and you can simply click on the actual photo or video on the piece of content that you're about to publish, and then you can search for it. You can search for the person or you can search for the company. In our case, you can see, let's take an example. We saw Ronaldo, right? You took a selfie with Ronaldo. You Google for Ronaldo and bam, you already found Ronaldo. Here you tag Ronaldo and you will see all the people or the companies or the profiles that you actually tag on your piece of content. For example, you did a mistake, how you can actually remove this person from it. All you gotta do is to click again on the picture, on the actual tag, and you can click X, and this is how you add or remove people or profiles from the actual piece of content that you previously tagged. Very simple, very clear, very visual. Also, you see a small option underneath which allows you to invite people to collaborate with. Let's say you have someone with you, right? Another content creator who saw you with Ronaldo, you took a pictures with him, maybe you took a video with him. So you want to add this person as a partner in this video, collaborator, right? Let's say you met Casey Neistat, right? And you made a video with Casey Neistat, he was with you, with Ronaldo. You can add him. You see how it works? Now we add collaborator inside our piece of content. It's very, very cool because now you have the option not only to tag the person that you interviewed, but you can also add someone else that took part of the interview and help you taking the interview. So as you can see, guys, it's very simple, it's very intuitive. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.